Hey there, welcome back to another interesting video. We have an interesting product here. It's the all-new EcoShow 5 second generation 2021 model. Let's unbox this and see the features and specifications. It comes inside this plastic cover. I purchased this from Amazon for $5,499. I will leave the link in the description. Do check out if you are interested in buying. Okay, we got the box out. This is the box. The box looks minimal and well packed. On the front, you can see the image of the EcoShow 5. I opt for the black color. There are other color options as well. On the side, we have the MRP and other details as well. On the other side, we have some specifications mentioned, and at the bottom, we have the list of supported applications. Let's open this box and look into the device. Okay, a simple but hard to remove plastic tape. Here is the device on the top. Oh, feels great and it's lightweight. And we have the paperwork here, the user manual. There is something else under. Okay, the adapter for powering the device. It's a 12-volt adapter. Let's look into the device right away. Remove the cover. That looks so premium. The material used on the back is very premium too. On the bottom, we have the rubber padding. On the top, we have some buttons, mic mute button, volume plus and minus, microphone, and the camera shutter. You can close the camera if not used. On the front, we have the 5.5-inch Full HD Plus display and a 2 megapixel camera. On the back, we have the power input port and a micro USB. 3.5mm jack is missing here. Let me set this up and see what it can do. Okay, I have completed the setup. You can swipe from the left or right on the home screen for changing the wallpaper and for scores and latest updates, news and all. Swipe from the right side for quick toggles. Swipe from the top for going back to home screen, adjusting the brightness, and for device settings. In the settings, we have different options to quickly customize the device according to your preference. You can also set adaptive brightness, which automatically adjusts the brightness. You can customize your home content. You can also custom set your wallpaper from your mobile, as you can see here. You can mute your mic if not used. You can also disable the camera by closing the shutter. Let's see what Alexa can do. Alexa, play some music.
Here's a station you might like, Unwind with Bollywood, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, pause. You can open Prime Video and watch your favorite content. Alexa, open Prime Video.
Here's Prime Video.
Need a Prime subscription as well. You can also open Netflix and also YouTube as
Alexa,
well.
open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
Let's check the audio quality of the device.
Level 1.
The brightness is full and the sound is set to maximum. Okay, let's play a video on YouTube for video quality. Oh, it's ideal for streaming content also. You can play videos in fullest resolution.
Alexa, go back to home screen. Alexa, switch off the TV.
Okay.
You can also control your like TV and other
Alexa,
at your home.
switch on the TV.
Okay.
Do watch the unboxing of the Samsung AU8000 if you haven't watched it.
Alexa, screen off.
You can also turn off the screen if not needed. It's great for listening to songs and also watching movies and all. It has a loud and crisp sound and a good display for watching your favorite content. Even if the headphone jack is missing, it has some well-packed features. It feels lagging sometimes, but the design makes you forget it. It's a great upgrade from the last year's Eco Show. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you in another video. Thank you.